Welcome to Acrylic Arts Academy. Today, we're painting a peaceful landscape with snowy mountains, lush green hills, and sparkling water reflections. Before we begin, here are the materials you'll need for this tutorial. Pause here to gather your supplies, and remember, the full list is also in the description below. Let's get started. First, squeeze out your sky blue, titanium white, sap green, and viridian directly onto the canvas. Using a wet, flat brush, blend these colors horizontally, working from lighter tones to deeper greens to create a soft, seamless background. Take your time with this step, allowing the colors to merge naturally while leaving subtle variations in tone to add depth. Keep your brush wet and your movements fluid. Horizontal strokes help create a gentle, natural gradient from sky to ground. Next, with a small flat brush loaded with gray and black, paint your mountain shapes along the upper half of the canvas. Place the tallest peaks on the edges and the smaller ones in the center for a balanced look. If you're enjoying this tutorial so far, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step acrylic painting lessons every week. Highlight the mountaintops with thick titanium white to create crisp, snowy effects. You can use the edge of your brush or a palette knife for added texture and definition. This technique adds a sense of movement and texture, making the landscape feel more dynamic. Now, with black paint, add a second layer of mountains just below the snowy ones. Gently blend in sap green and light green while the paint is still wet to add hints of summer foliage without overpowering the base. Take your time with this step. As you refine the painting, take a step back to assess the composition. Adjust the mountain shapes as needed. It's time for reflections. Use a dry brush to softly pull down sap green and white from the base of your mountains into the water area, mimicking a mirror image. Add small touches of black and extra white for snowy reflection highlights. Take your time with this step. To add movement, load your palette knife with black and scrape a few bold horizontal lines across the water. Then repeat with white to create sparkling highlights. With a fine detailing brush and black paint, finish by adding a few flying birds in the sky. Use quick, loose strokes for a natural effect. Take a moment to appreciate the textures, colors, and layers you've built. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more step-by-step painting lessons. Happy painting, and see you in the next tutorial. If you want to take your painting journey even further, check out our Paint Your Own Happiness course, a complete experience designed to help you gain confidence, unlock creativity, and find joy through art. Learn more about our free and premium courses at acrylicartsacademy.com/free courses. Thank you for painting with us today,